So these are these very, very tiny handful of greens, collard greens that I harvested from my indoor garden. So I already fried off or baked the bacon, and the bacon is kind of crumbled down inside of there. I have like a couple of cloves of garlic cut up, and then of course my red bell pepper, and then there's some onion down in here. And once it's when it's done, I also add another fresh batch of the onion, the garlic, as well as the bell pepper, so that it is one is to flavor it, one is to garnish and flavor that fresher one that's not completely done yet. So yeah, just wanted to show you my little tiny bit of greens, and I had a little bit of Brussels sprouts, so I just put that in there. I tasted it. I mean, it was bitter, but I think it's going to be okay. I mean, because it's bitter anyway. So if it's not, it's just not. But yep, this is just for me, because that's all it's enough for anyway, this little bit. I thought about adding some more to it, but I'm like, nope, don't even worry about it. Yep, so that's all. Just wanted to come and show you. And I'm adding some rotisserie chicken as well. Once this gets maybe about a half an hour done or something like that, I'll add that rotisserie chicken in there. Yep. So I just wanted to show you my little tiny bit of greens that I harvested today, and show you how I was cooking them. I also have some beans going, but I haven't. I just put the beans in. The meat is done. That's inside of there. So I'm getting ready to put my seasonings and everything in it now. I just turned it up high just so it can get the temperature can come back up on them. But yeah, so I'm just getting ready to flavor them now. Same thing, just some salt, pepper, some no sauce seasoning for the beans, and onion, of course, onion slices, garlic, and basically that's it. And then maybe in about, because I've soaked these for a while, so they should be done momentarily. So yeah, I'm just getting ready to just do that now. So I just have pintos and they're like crowder peas. I can't think of the name of them, but they're like crowder peas. They're in the same family, pigeon pea or whatever. But anyway, I love crowder peas. So anyway, yeah, that is it. So I hope that you're enjoying your day, living a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I should come back with a taste test on my greens. Love you. Bye-bye for now.